Good afternoon, participants. Very good afternoon. Have a good day. And the sessions will be started by exactly 3:05. We will wait another 3 minutes for other people to join. Okay, good afternoon. The time already 3:05. By shortly, I will start the session right now. As per the yes, very good afternoon. I'm same Mrs. Sindhu Ravichandran. I'm going to handle the session by today. And as I'm going to discuss the questions, what the peoples are requested, like requirements of the discussion question. That's what I'm going to be done it by today. Okay. And then without any delay, I will just start the session. Especially Shakti was requested to do sharing the question. She was not there. Yes, I hope she will be joined later. Yes, I will just start the session. Uh, the discussion section, as we have discussed the question, what you have done in the assessment one. There are only the few questions, I think so. Rest of the questions are very simple questions, but I'm not leaving any questions. I have repeat. I'm just sharing all the questions for the discussion. Yes, let me start. For the first question, I'm just participant try to interact with me because then only I know whether you could understand or not. For the first question, what the answers you have chosen? What the answer you have chosen? Have you remember or
Option C,
try?
BU.
BU, yes, of course. I think you maybe get a clear about even yesterday itself. Also, I told you that this is called string slicing. The string slicing you have to represent from starting position to ending position, but it has to take operations on starting to. That is what you have initialized the starting position to n minus one. So that letters has to come as per the order. Okay, this is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But we are giving 3 to 5, 3 to 5, but it will not take this one. It will take BU as output. The output of this question is BU. If you choose in BU, I hope you all got a clear idea about the string slicing. Not only string slicing, it maybe take a role for your array, tuples, dictionary, everything. Array slicing. So slicing is common for every topics. We go with this. Can you tell me what is a default return type function ID?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Srividya is
Kishore.
waiting in the lobby, ma'am. Srividya.
Yes, I will just allow her. I don't know. Just let's see. Okay. Okay. Let me share the next question. What is the answer for the return type of function ID? Here you don't know. Sorry, you know well about define. Def keyword is used to define the functions. You don't want to mention any return type. It automatically return based upon your return statement. By default, what is the return type? Return ID. What the people has choose? Function return. Default return. Don't have any ideas? Okay, I just tell you that it is int, integer. Integer is a default return type for the function in Python. Let me go. Clear? Shall we go with the third question? The third question is, if I gave simply power of x comma y, I know there is no issues. If suppose we gave three variables inside a power function, mean what will be the expression? X comma y comma z inside of power function. No guesses, huh? Try to guess it. Power of x comma y comma z. Here the twisted is comma z. Are you people can able to see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Okay. Do you feel is there is error? Is anybody feeling like is the wrong statement? Is it error statement? Okay, I will give an explanation. Of course not. In a Python programming, if you given us power of x comma y, there is no issue. It just works like a power function. Yes, power y. But if you suppose use a z, it will take this as expression x power of y modulus of z. So this is what exact answer in a Python programming. Other programming languages shows error, but Python can give a chance to take even for three variables, but not exceed than three variables. If you gave four variable, it will show error. Okay, shall we go with the fourth question? Can you tell me the answer for this one? All.
Option C, 0, ma'am.
Answer will be zero. Okay. Any other answers? But Kishore, is this works like a boolean or a conditional statements? Is it boolean, right?
I think so, ma'am.
I see. Okay, I will briefly explain this one. I will take an online compiler for your kind of reference. Okay, sorry guys, I couldn't see. That's what now only I'm seeing. I'm allowing all the people. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I'll just show you the online. Okay, for the latecomers, especially for the latecomers, I'm just showing the questions. I'm discussing a question right now. What we have done in the assessment one. We gone through the three questions. First question is this for a slicing. Answer become BU. For
Ma'am,
this,
I can join it, ma'am.
yes, I have allowed all the people.
But they can join, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, after in end of the session, I will recall it again. So for this question, I'm going to share it right now. This question is act as like Boolean logical condition checking. There is a two functions are there, any, all. There are two functions are there. These functions are act like a logical function, logical gates. It's just comparing whether all the elements are filled with the data, all the spaces are filled with the data. It is not rather than the zero. This condition has been checked with the help of simple function called all or any. All works like the uncondition, any works like a or. When we are using this, like for example, as we assigned some of the list, let me go with the list. I just started to working on a list. Okay, consider my list. Inside of my list, okay, a little bit zoomer for a clarification. It's a my list. Inside of a list, I'm going to assign some values 3, 5, 6, 78, 90, 2, and 1. If there is any defined number of data, we don't bother, just to go through it. Then by visualizing, you can able to know whether it is not contain any zero. But if it is more than 100 data, mean we cannot check it everything. We cannot check over all the databases or does not contain any zero. Zero mean nothing, nothing datas, empty datas. By that time we go with this all function or any function. Then we consider the one variable check. Check equal to all. What we are checking, the my list which not contain any zero. Okay, let me try to print check. Check means what is happening? It just checking all the data from the my list will not be zero. When I'm executing this, it may say the answer is true. Kishore is almost near, but it will print true or false, not 0 and 1. Okay, it will become true or false. If I'm giving all as not a 0, it will print true. In case if I'm giving any one 0, let me check. Any one of the value is 0, not all. Any one of the value is 0 means it becomes into false. Now you can answer this question. Any one of the data or indexed value is 0 means it will return false. This function is helps to find all the data from the dictionary, from the tuple, from the list is not a 0. Every data sets are can have a value. For a list, we are thinking like that. Let me go with the data set. With the help of this function, we can easily understand there is no one data has filled with none or empty or 0. It may helps to find, because the main reason for finding this reason is if any one of the field is none means your algorithm will not able to access all your content. It will not predict the proper result. For that reason, first we have to make them all as a data. In that situation, it may have a major role. Okay, and let me executing the programming. If does not contain any zero, it will say true. If any one of the value becomes zero, it will say as a false. I am checking one more zero is there. Yes, I got as a false as output on my screen. Let me go with the answer. Now can you answer this question? What will come? 2406. What will come?
False, ma'am.
Yes, it's false will come, because one data is false, so of course the false will come onto the screen. Okay, let me go with this question. Can you tell me the answer for this question? X equal to 1, y true. If the condition of modulus of 5 equal to 0, then we are breaking. Then printing x till while become true. Can you tell me the answer? No guesses, huh?
Name error, ma'am.
Sorry, I should. Okay, sorry. What you said?
For the fifth one, it is error, ma'am.
Why, ma?
Like the x plus equals to that will be a error, and then
But I think there is no space here. Of
where
course, if it is error, if I'm supposed to give a space between of x plus equal to 1. If not, we will get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me check the answers. For your clarification, some of people are having a doubt now. Okay, I will go with the answer. These are the spaces because of copying from PowerPoint to here, from the word, from the itself.
okay, ma'am. May I know the answer for the question one? Is it possible?
Okay, I'll just tell you, it's loading. Let me give us some more time to execution. Yes, I got output as 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because if you copy it from here and paste it over to your compiler, you will get error because of the reason of between the spaces. Okay. If not, if there is nothing special like spaces mean, you will get output from 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer for this question is none of the above. Because of the reason 1, 2, 3, 4 is answer, the answer is not as given. If you feel error, the first query is error because of the space. Okay. 2 1, you know that 2 1 will not come. 0 3 1, you are very sure about 2 1 3 1 will not come. It may be error or it may be 1 2 1 2 3 4. Did we check whether it is start execute or? But it has to come 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will tell you. When I'm using my online compiler, it was showing like infinite. Okay, let me go. Once again, I will check. Otherwise, I will execute this program same way in here. Software command prompt. I'm gonna. Yes, now it's showing error. Huh? T capital T only become true as a keyword. It is some mistake. Well, I'm copying from there to here. It was a spacing problem. Many spacing problem is coming. Okay, let me discuss the questions later. But I got answer as 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm very sure. Okay, let me go with the another question. Can you tell me which kind of error will may come when I'm giving this Mongo equal to Apple? After we discussed all the question, I will surely show the answer of the first one. Okay. If any
Okay,
people
ma'am.
waiting
It
in a
will
lobby,
name this. The sixth question will be name error, ma'am.
why?
Because Apple is not defined. It is not given in its codes.
Why Mongo will never show error?
Apple, ma'am.
That's what my question is. Why Mongo does not show any error of naming?
Because that's you are defining a variable, ma'am.
That's it. So the Mongo is one of the assignment statement. Mongo equal to the assignment statement. We're assigning the values of apple, but before declaration or defining a values of apple, you cannot assign with here. So then answer for this question is name error, because apple is not defined, hence name error. Apple, if suppose we want to clear this problem, I can able to simply clear this problem with apple equal to 10. If I'm giving this, it will not show any error, it will work on it. Okay, let me go with the another question. Single line command is what? Which,
C, ma'am. Ash.
yes, it's a hash symbol. For this eighth question, which one is it?
None of
In
the
none of
D.
the above, because everything can be supported. Single underscore, double underscore, triple underscore. Everything can be supported for a variable declaration in a Python. So answer is none of the above. Okay, like same all, any is there. Can you guess the answer for this? Any? All means what? All should be value, not a zero. If any one value is zero means it will return false. Any means any will consider like a or condition. Or means what? If any one is true means any one of the condition becomes true, it will return a true. Then you can say the answer. What it will return?
True. D. True.
Yes, exactly. It is a true. Okay, let me check the same condition on the existing program. I have copied. Let me. Yes, this program is there now. Here, as we led all program, instead of all, let me use the any. If we use the any, it has to come true. Because if any one value is true, mean then it becomes a true. Let me check if all the values are zero, it becomes into false. Any is nothing but or, all is nothing but unconditioned. It has to check none of the value is zero. But here it may check none of the value is not a zero. Any one of the value mean that will be accepted. So these are all and any. Let me go with this 10th question. What it will print?
3, ma'am. C. 3.
It will print 3.
Yeah, ma'am.
Let me check. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go with the compiler. Again, I'm giving the value, open bracket, of A. A is 3, sorry, 1, comma, B is 2, comma, A is 3. Let me print uh, value dot get A. If I did any mistakes, D1, A, B, C, right only. This array only, right? But it is showing mistake. This is what a main problem with this compilers. Online compilers are always make issues. 3. Okay. Answer for this question becomes 3. Not a 1, it is a 3. Answers 3 for this question. Yes, okay. Let, because first it has been assigned with the 1. The again the values has been assigned. This as considered as a redefinition. It will not take a duplicate. That is what the more advantages of dictionaries will not accept the duplicate data. Go with the 11th question, which is not a core data types in a Python. Which
Class,
one
ma'am.
of the following is
Plus.
not a core data type in Python? 4.
Class.
Yes, class is not a core data type. For the 12th question, what will be generator to the given line? Range of 5 comma 0 minus 2.
Option C, ma'am. 531.
Yes,
How,
it's
ma'am?
5, 5, 3, 1. It has to starts from 5. So totally how many numbers are there? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It starts from here. Every time it has to be minus 2. Minus 2 means it has to move on to this position. So 5, 3, 1. So that's what the reason it has to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If we given as 5 comma 0 mean it will print from 5 to 0. If we are mentioning the positions, that is the incrementing or decrementing, what is that skipping data? Here we mentioned as a skipped value as minus 2. It will take 1 after skipped 2, this one as 3, 1, 2, this will be considered. So that's what the reason we got 5, 3, 1. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We go with this question. What will be the answer? I equal to 1. Okay, this is also the mistake. Here no colon, okay? Don't think about a colon. You know that. The indentations are, can have a major role on here. I equal to 1, we are printing as true if I modulus of 3 equal to 0 means break. It almost print. Likewise, the programs as we discussed
Invalid
in the
syntax.
earlier, like it has to print. Why invalid syntax?
No, ma'am, like in the code there it was given as colon. That's why I say invalid syntax.
Okay, no problem. The special the mean is I have copied from the forms to be here. But in a form, it will be parallelly they given. While I'm copying to paste it on here, I gave a space on here, but it was not there. If it I'm giving a same program, invalid syntax. If not there in a space, the answer will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is invalid because of the reason I gave it two things. That's what I kept it here. There is the two mistakes that I did when I'm copying the programming on from your forms to PowerPoint. I'm not telling about your Google form. I'm just telling about this. When I'm copying this program, I gave two wrong statements. What is that? That is one the space and colon, and another one is print statement. When I'm giving this, you may get answer as 1, 2, 3. If you're not dead didn't, the answer becomes invalid syntax. Okay, let me go with the 14th question. Which loop in all is supported in Python?
Do well loop, ma'am.
Yes, super. Yesterday also we discussed many times was this word. Do while will not support it. Okay, 15th questions. Um, can we able to write if else statement into one line within a single line? Can we able to write if else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course you can able to write it. Okay, which is a valid statement?
A if A greater than is equals to 2. A.
2 after A, that is a colon indentation. Okay, answer is first one. Likewise, other programming languages are we are always specified to do the brackets. So unfortunately, when we start learning to do the programming of Python, here also we are always mentioning as a brackets. That's what we I gave you the statement A greater than 2. Can you let me know the answer of this question 17? Lower case of
A.
why A? It has to change lower case. Can you tell me why it is? Why it is? But you know what? The error, answer was right, Shakti. You are right. Answer was capital letter only.
Ma'am, but in the form it was given as x is equals to the way x is.
Ah, exactly. But even if I'm using here, then also it will be answer as capital X only. Why? Because means if I'm printing here, okay, let me check. If it is X, if I'm giving X means it has to come smaller XY or capital XY. I changed it as A and A. Okay, let me I'm giving us X. If I'm giving X, first it may give mistake because It says like A is undefined. Okay, just bother about these answers, these queries. Now tell me the answer for this program. It may be a small letter or capital letter. You can't tell, huh?
Ma'am, it is
Option A, ma'am.
Option A. Why? Of course, Ashwin, you're right. Can you tell me why? The main reason, just to go through the programming carefully, here for I in A, what happened? It will take a copy of data to I. I will keep copy of A. Copy of A, not original A. Copy of A variable. When we are changing the I as into lower, only the part of I variable has been changed as into lower. But A will be the same. But when we are printing A, it has to print capital S because that was assigned in the original data. In case, instead of A, if I am giving I, you may get answer this. Small x and y, you may get answer as sent to output screen. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Let me go with the 18th question. Tell me the answer for this question. This what will be the printing, what it has to print on output screen.
STR1.
Yes, of course, because of the reason
It is given in string. It has
double
quotations.
quotes.
Whatever is given inside the double quotes, it will be printed the same way. It is
Because
we
it's
are
got,
not
yes,
printing the variable. We are just printing the text.
yes, Super Shakti. We are printing as a string. We are not printing as a variable. That's what the reason it has to take a place of str1. These are crazy questions. Okay. Here, answer is given. Question also given. You have to write a program. From the list, how we may get answer of this one? It may called as array slicing. Okay, I just guided you for through this. The index number set starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
C1 will come.
But the answer C will come. Yes, of course, because we have to print 23 to 9. So it starts from 23. Of course, the list has to print from 1 till 75. It has to print. If I am giving a 7, I cannot get a 75 as output. I can able to get only 8. So for that reason, I'm mentioning as a 8. 8 means till 7, it take it as a output screen. Till 23, till these are considered as output. But we have to print 23 then 2 only. After 1, 2 variable. So that's what the reason we are mentioning like 2. Okay. Okay, I'll just ask you questions about it for understanding and clearing all those things. Okay, in the same programming, in case if I'm giving the statement to print 1 to 8 colon minus 2, what will print? 1 to 8 colon minus 2. 1 to 8 minus 2, not a plus 2. Okay, I just share you the points. You can't understand my question, I think so. When I'm giving to print 1 colon statements 1 colon 8 colon minus 2 means what it will be taken to output screen. Okay, our cursor is here. Our cursor is here because we started from 1. We are taken it to minus 2 till the position of 8. So first 1 minus 2. Minus 2 will be come here. So 75 will be surely printed on your output screen. Then after 2 portion has to take 2 reverse point 1 2 minus, that is 9 also will be printed because of minus 2 position. Likewise next 1 and 2, 2 will take into place. I'm very sure infinitely it will print again and again for this much of data, because we have given us plus 8 is the last position. It will not reach plus 8 because it already started to minus. It has to be taken only the minus. It will not reach at 8th index number. Infinitely it will be print. I can resolve this problem. Now you can guess the answer. Of course you can guess the right answer, I think. Okay. Okay, let me check if I'm giving this the same question with 8 to 1 minus 2. Now can you tell me the answer? 8 to 1 minus 2. Guys, 8 to 1 minus 2 means what will come? There is no 8, but 7 is there. So 75 will first take into output screen. Sorry, will not take. If there is no data from 8, it has to move on to 6th position. 8, 7, 6. Now 8 will be printed on output screen. After 6, next 4, that is a 0. Next 2, 3 will print. Of course, till 3 it has to be output screen because of we have started with 8. There is no 8th index. There is a 7th index. It will not start from 7th. It has to move the 2 more reverse order of data, that is minus 2. Okay, do you clear? Do you may have doubt? Okay, I just go with the 20th question. Uh, which is a proper statement for creating tuple? Tuple.
A, ma'am.
A. Can you tell me which symbol is used to represent the dictionary and list? These all called as collection of data, right? List, tuple, and dictionary. These are collection of data only. For a list, we have to use square bracket. For a tuple, function bracket. For a dictionary, use curly braces. Okay, remember these words. The answer for this question is first one only, right? For the 21st, sir said you don't know about this word. Can you tell me what is the answer of this question? What will be the finding the value?
Is null. B.
Is null for data. Is null for variable. Is empty. Is none for variable. But the question is specifically they are saying data table. Okay, that was little bit twisted. The is null, is empty, is none, is nan, is number, is object. These are for the individual datas, not for data table in a database. If you want to comparing any one of the data which has presented in null in a database, you have to use the query is db null. Okay, let me go with second. So most probably we are always giving important to be slicing. Let this was simply I gave it 2 to 8. What is the answer?
Format A.
From format. Okay, answer is format. for this one? Collection of files in Python.
Project, ma'am.
Project.
Yes, yes, of course, it's project. Okay, project only. In somebody says like a model, that's what I gave this option. Uh, Last most easiest question. What was the extension?
Dot py.
PY.
Dot py. Okay, that's all. Have you noticed one question was repeated
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
Google form? Yes,
The
okay.
23rd question was repeated, ma'am.
Uh, yes, of course. I 23rd. Oh, you remember even the number of the question, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Super, yeah. You intimated, huh? In a group.
What, ma'am?
For, did you intimated in a group for a repetition of question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I didn't see. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Nothing. Okay, that's all the questions. Almost the Python getting over
Ma'am,
right now.
can
Yes,
you
Sakshi.
show the first question alone, ma'am, again?
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, okay, that's it. So almost the Python chapter getting over right now. From the Monday itself, we start getting to the deeper end of machine learning languages. Machine learning, as you already known about what is the machine learning, what are the types of different learnings are there, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement, and what are all the different algorithms are as we needed, why we preferring this Python for a programming of machine learning, robotics, and then data science and deep learning, why we are preferring this Python. These are already we discussed, and the from the Monday itself we are going to create the ML models. Okay, even I think you maybe work with the Colab also. Did you open the Colab as already shared on your GCR? Already, I think passed before 1 week. Okay, if you're not yet, please go there. Go to check your Google Classroom in the GCR as we posted a Colab link. Then try to work on it. Some basic coding. Okay, even refer what we learned, what we saw in the yesterday's classes. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can discuss with me.
Ma'am, can you show the first question alone, ma'am?
The first question, nothing special. Yeah, that's very
No,
simple
ma'am.
questions.
No, ma'am.
BU,
Ma'am,
that
but in
is.
the assignment, it didn't show the A option, ma'am. There was only B, C, and D options, ma'am.
Oh, but I have copied
So
from there only, I think.
that's why I chose none of the above, ma'am.
Oh, ama. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, okay. We have to sort out this problem.
So
I'm sorry for that. We will sort out this. But the answer is BU, right?
yes, ma'am. But
Hmm.
in the Google Forms, will I get 2 more points extra, ma'am?
Yes, of course, surely. Not a 2 marks. You're going to be say 4 marks, 4 extra marks, because one question was repeated, na? For that and for the first question and from the 23rd question, both you will get a marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, and then in the 1 minute, ma'am. In the 14th question, ma'am.
14. I have to go through what is 9, 10, 12, 13. 14th question now.
Yeah, ma'am. This one.
Is this one?
Yes, ma'am. For each loop is not there in Python, ma'am. Do while loop is there, ma'am.
Did you check?
Yes, ma'am. I saw on the internet that day, ma'am.
Kishu, do you agree? Okay, let me check. Do for your clarification, I'm showing you this. Okay. Do while loop in Python.
And for each loop is not there, ma'am.
For is not there.
For each,
Okay,
ma'am.
let me check.
For each.
For each, but is it listed in a for each also? No, no. Okay, okay, it has mentioned. For in, for of is there. For each is there, ma. X, for, else, nested, pass. Okay, I have to check pass for each. Okay. Okay, let me get a clarification from Jaychandran sir and then let you know. In a group. In a group, I will share this message.
If that is correct, will I get another 2 points, ma'am?
Yes, sure, sure, sure. Sure, sure.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
let you confirm with the Jaychandran sir. Then I will acknowledge you on your group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And is there is any other doubts? Okay, now we are going to be close the session with entirely on Python. Let we open the session on Monday itself. By the time we will start to do the programming to do create a models in ML using Python in a Colab. Okay, if you're not yet signed in, please go and sign in. Then only parallelly you can able to work on the workshops. Okay, thank you. Let me close the session by today. See you on Monday. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.